Most people think all life insurance companies are basically the same. They're not. And when choosing the wrong one, it could cost you tens of thousands of dollars over time. Or worse, leave you with a policy that doesn't perform when you need it. My name is Stephen Marino. I work with clients over the past 19 years every single day, helping them choose life insurance, not just based on price, but what actually works long term. In this video, I'm going to break down the best life insurance companies in 2026 based on real world experience, not just what looks good on paper. And a little quick disclaimer here, there is no such thing as a perfect life insurance company. Every carrier has strengths, every carrier has weaknesses. So I'm going to show you what each company is best for, where they shine, and where they fall short. So let's get into it. First up is North American. This is one of the most consistent companies I work with, especially for IOLs and for term insurance. Where they shine is strong accumulation potential, solid cap rates, and indexing options. They're very competitive for long-term growth and for anybody looking for living benefits. Where they're not perfect, not always the cheapest up front, it requires proper structuring to really perform, and they're best for somebody who wants a balance between protection and long-term cash value growth, and don't forget about those living benefits included in every single one of their plans. Now, next up, we have Banner Life. Banner is one of the most competitive companies in the country for term life insurance. Where they shine is extremely competitive pricing, strong underwriting in many cases, and great for high coverage at a low cost. Where they fall short is they're not designed for cash value strategies, limited flexibility compared to permanent products. They are best for somebody who wants maximum coverage at the lowest cost. And next up, we have Pacific Life. Pacific Life is one of the more well-rounded carriers. Their strengths are strong financial ratings, good long-term stability, competitive illustrations, where their weaknesses are not always the most aggressive growth, more middle of the road, and they're best for clients who want stability and consistency. Now, we also have Mutual of Omaha. This company is very strong in specific niches. Where they shine is simplified issue products, faster underwriting, good for harder to place clients. Where they fall short is they're not built for high-end accumulation strategies, best for people who want quick coverage or may not even qualify elsewhere. And finally, we have Corebridge. This company can be very competitive depending on the situation. Where they shine is competitive pricing in certain cases, strong term options, flexible product design, but where they fall short is they're not always the top tier in long-term performance. They're best for people looking for cost-effective protection. Now, here's the truth that many agents won't tell you, is that the best life insurance company is not the same for everyone. It is going to depend on your age, your health, your budget, and what you actually want the policy to do. What I see all the time is people choosing based on price alone, and that's where mistakes happen. So a quick recap here is that North American is for accumulation strategies, living benefits. Banner Life is for low-cost term, Pacific Life for stability, Mutual of Omaha for easy approvals, and Corebridge for cost-effective options. Each one has its place. It just depends on the situation. So if you're not sure what company you currently have, or you want a second opinion, I'd be happy to take a look at your situation and show you exactly what your options are. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe because in the next video, I'm going to break down term versus IOL versus whole life and when each one actually makes sense.